Good day, I will share to you this battery 2020. Right now 2024 means 4 years, but we need to replace a new one. Just turn off the isolation breaker. This is fire alarm system. This is fire alarm system of our ship. Okay, please be reminded that these batteries must be 2 years as per our company regulation. But when I saw this battery, almost 4 years, right? Okay, we need to change. A simple advice: when you embark your ship, just check all batteries. That includes in our PMS, but you need to request to change. Okay, this is only a reminder to us to avoid problem in the future. Okay, thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.